Okay, so you want to start drinking whiskey, but you also want to look like you've got half an idea what you're doing. Well, keep watching, and in this first episode I'll be showing you which glasses you should be using and some you shouldn't to nose those lovely drams, and in the process look like a professional doing it. This is known as a highball glass. It's a lovely glass and it's mainly used for taller drinks. It is not what you'll be using to nose whiskey. This is a rocks glass. It's another lovely glass, but still not the right glass for nosing whiskey. Now this is known as a Glencairn glass, and this is the glass we've been looking for. It's shaped like a tulip to help bring the aromas from the whiskey up into your nose. It's the perfect glass for nosing whiskies.